A is for apple, A-P-P-L-E, red and yang hanging on a tree.
B is for ball, B-A-L-L,
Bounce it high, watch it fall.
C is for cat, C-A-T, soft and furry, purring happily.
D is for dog, D-O-G, wagging its tail, running free.
E is for elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, big and strong, with a long trunk. C.
F is for fish, F-I-S-H, swim and splash.
Swish, swish, swish. G is for giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, tall and spotted by the tree.
H is for hat, H-A-T, wear it proudly, just like me.
I is for ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, cold and sweet, like a dream. J is for juice, J-U-I-C-E, fruity and fresh for you and me. Spell it out, shout it loud, learning letters makes us proud. See the word, hear the sound, let's spell together all around.
K is for kite, K-I-T-E, flying high.
Wild and free. L is for lion, L-I-O-N, roaring loud.
King of the den.
M is for moon, M-O-O-N, glowing bright. Now and then, very bright. Now and then.
N is for nest, N-E-S-T, cozy home in a tree.
O is for octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, 8 arms wiggling, what a fuss.
K is for pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, drawing in lines and stories still.
Q is for queen, Q-U-E-E-E-N, with a crown looking serene. R is for rainbow, R-A-I-N-B-O-W, colors bright after rainbows glow. S is for star, S-T-A-R, twinkling lights near and far. T is for train, T-R-A-I-N, choo-choo sound down the lane. Spell it out, shout it loud, learning letters makes us proud. See the word, hear the sound, let's spell together all around. U is for umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-A, keeps us dry on rainy days. V is for violin, V-I-O-L-N, play the strings with a grin. W is for whale, W-H-A-L-E, big and splashy in the sea. X is for rainbow, Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, tap the bars, hear the melody. Y is for yacht, Y-A-C-H-T, sailing fast, wild and free. Z is for zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, stripes of black and white, hooray! We spelled them all, A to Z.